I got Nintendo 2DS, and as you can see, the stick broken. So I'm not sure if the stick broken or the only thumbstick. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow. So let's start to fix it. And this is the last one. The battery is like not in good condition. They have more screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just be careful, they have ribbon cable here. And this is the stick. So let's open it. And as you can see guys, the stick is still in good condition, but the damage only on thumbstick. And I have this thumbstick from donor console, so I will try to install it. The ribbon cable for the stick is returned. Let's return this part. The ribbon cable is back. Let's return the screw. And this is the last one. It looks like the stick working good. Let's turn it on and check. And the console needs charge. Let's see which one fit. It's charging. And the console is still not charging. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.